Howdy howdy howdy. I am a little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 1982 Vietnam Veterans Memorial by the artist, Maya Lin. Lin was born in Athens, Ohio, United States, in 1959. Lin is primarily known for her memorials, including the Civil Rights Memorial in Montgomery, Alabama. The Vietnam Veterans Memorial is installed on the National Mall in Washington, D.C. Several transportable replicas of the memorial were created for those who cannot visit. This work inspires me to look to major historical events as an influence on my work. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.